Okay, here on the floor I have pre-cut a few pieces for specific areas on the wall, and for the cutting of these sheets, this is a typical 22 gauge stainless steel panel. Now, to cut it, we would first need a grinder, right? Now this is a regular angle grinder that it has a cutting disc inside of it, and as you can see, the cutting disc is worn. It's not necessarily that small. This has gone through about 3 sheets of stainless steel panels already, so it's a little bit worn. I'll be changing that shortly. This is how the panels, well, this is how the disc are normally sized, right? And you can tell from the size of this that it has worn down dramatically, and you can tell from the size of this that it is worn. Right, so back to cutting.